Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a little unboxing video for you, and I don't know what this is. A couple days ago, I got a tracking notification, and I have nothing on order, and the the tracking number looked familiar, so I went back, and it was my Olight order for the Warrior Mini, and I got this, a while ago. So it's the same tracking number. That looks like, the Olight address out of New Jersey. And yeah, so I have no clue what it is. This Olight came in a box like this. So I thought I'd open it up on camera and see what it is. So let's try using the CRK CEO. Let's see. I have no clue what this is and why I got a package from Olight. This thing, there we go. This CEO makes an excellent letter opener, not so good of a box opener. So, got a bubble in there. Oh, it looks like a free gift type of thing. What? Merry Christmas. Another one. Wow. I don't even know what's going on. They send me... Is this a freebie or are they making a mistake? Got a little Olight snap bracelet. See what this card says. They've been known to send out, free gifts, but I don't... Merry Christmas. Thank you for being there for us during this extraordinary year, as we all are made of... I'm going to have to read it out. I can't read it through the camera. Thank you for being there for us during this extraordinary year, as we are all made of stardust. It is written in the stars. We meet and become family. Together we have been through thick and thin. So wonderful that we could have each other and share the same starry sky during this Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So, I don't know. Yeah, it's the Warrior Mini. Look, I got a staple stuck to the bottom of my light there. Yeah, wow. I don't know. I don't know if I should send it back, keep it. It's not a cheap flashlight. Yeah, I mean, this one, the tracking number, tracked, said it was delivered. And then I picked up on the same tracking number, and this shows up. Huh. So anyways, that's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm keeping it or if I gotta send it back or what. But yeah, I don't even know what to say. They sent this was a freebie. That's a heck of a freebie. You got the little Olight snap bracelet that's got a ruler on it. inches on one side, centimeters on the other. I'll probably never use that, but yeah, I guess that's it. This is quite a surprise and mystery. I really do like this light. See, I did have it in lockout mode. Big controversy over these lights turning on in people's pockets and burning their clothing and melting the lens, but my opinion is I just put it in lockout mode if it's, going to be in my pocket. If I'm using it, I unlock it and use it and put it back in lock mode when I put it back in my pocket. But yeah, just a quick video. I'm not sure what's going on, but I guess as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment. If you think this is one of their freebie gifts, kind of looks so with the card in there. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I guess till next video, bye.